In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Adobe Acrobat language, full 2024 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few helpful tips to make sure the change sticks. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. This works the same whether you're using Acrobat Reader or Acrobat Pro. If you haven't opened it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so all settings appear as expected. Keep the app active on your screen so you can follow along in real time. Next, look to the top right corner of the Acrobat window for the main menu. Depending on your version, you might see a 3-line menu icon, a gear icon, or a labeled menu button. Click that to open your options. If your window is too small and you don't see the icon, try maximizing Acrobat so the full toolbar appears. On Mac OS, some options also live in the top system menu bar, so you can access them there if that's more familiar. From that menu, choose Preferences. This is the central place where Acrobat's behavior and appearance are adjusted. If you prefer using menus instead of icons, you can also open Preferences by going to Edit, then Preferences on Windows, or Acrobat, then Preferences on Mac. Once Preferences is open, look for the Language section in the left sidebar. It may be labeled Language or Application Language, and it controls the language used throughout Acrobat's interface. Now, select the language you want to use. In the main panel, you'll see a drop-down for the app's display language. You can set it to match your operating system automatically, or you can pick a specific language from the list. If you frequently switch between languages, consider choosing the option that lets you select a language at application startup so you can change it each time you open Acrobat without digging back into settings. After you make your selection, confirm or apply the change. Acrobat may prompt you to restart the application for the new language to take effect. Go ahead and close and reopen Acrobat if asked. If the language you want doesn't appear, you may need to install that language pack through Adobe's installer or the Creative Cloud app, then return to this setting and select it. That's not common, but it's good to know. Once Acrobat relaunches, your menus, dialogues, and tool names should display in the language you chose. If you ever want to switch back, repeat these same steps and pick a different language. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and quick.